Today in this video, I'll show you how I design a logo from a real brand brief. This video will give you a clear idea of how a logo actually comes to life, not by adding random fonts and colors, but by following a real design process that turns a brand brief into a meaningful identity. So this is a portfolio project for a clothing brand concept called Stadium. It's a premium streetwear brand built around three core values: performance, focus, and discipline. The identity needs to feel clean, confident, and minimal with a modern premium look that fits both streetwear culture and high quality apparel. After researching the brief, I wrote down the keywords that represent the brand, and I also listed the ones I want to avoid. This helps me stay focused and it gives me a clear idea of what direction not to choose during the design process. When you do research, try to check how other brands use their visuals and tone. It helps you understand what works and makes it easier to guide your own brand's direction. For this project, I looked at Supreme's visuals, their typography, tone, and bold minimal style as a base reference to guide the mood board and set the right direction for this brand. So now it's time to create the mood board for the brand. This step is important because it helps me lock the visual direction before I start sketching. I am taking the main keywords from the brief: performance, focus, discipline, and a premium streetwear feel to translating them into visuals. I am collecting textures, type styles, wordmark, and overall aesthetics that match the brand's personality. The mood board gives me a clear sense of how the identity should look and feel, and it keeps the whole design process consistent. Once the mood board is ready, I can move into sketching with a much stronger sense of direction. So, a mood board is built based on those keywords. It's the visual form of your strategy. Without keywords, your mood board becomes random. So, a simple tip for you: when you move into sketching the logo, choose only two or three keywords from your list and focus on just those. Too many keywords will distract you from your goal, but a small set gives you a clear direction to explore. So, when you are sketching, don't stop at one or two ideas. The more variations you draw, the clearer your direction becomes. Exploring multiple sketches always leads to a stronger final logo. So, from the brief, I chose two keywords: focus and performance, and started sketching around them. Focus is represented through centered circular forms, while performance is representing a sharp star shape for a premium feel. Alongside the symbol, I also explored custom wordmark for stadium, keeping it bold and structured to match the brand's disciplined character. These sketches help shape a clean, confident logo system that works well for premium streetwear. When choosing fonts, keep it simple. Test one or two options that match your brand's personality and avoid exploring too many. Always keep your logo simple and consistent. Try multiple small variations, refine the balance, and focus on clean geometry. That's what makes a brand look timeless and professional. So, this was the complete process behind this branding project. I hope you learned something from it. And if you want to see more design breakdowns like this, make sure to subscribe. I will be uploading another video soon where I'll show the full logo and packaging design.